Okay. It means that in the morning, I will wake up, I will do the analysis for you. Okay. I will see where there's been consolidation, and then I will put pending orders, both buying and selling. Okay. And then I will, oh, somebody is stuck in the room there. Okay. All right. They're in. Okay. I'll put the pending orders for you. And then after done that, let's see. Okay. So for those who will subscribe for the service, you will get a text or something that will tell you the currency. It will tell you the type of order, which is buy stop or sell stop, the currency. It will tell you, for me, the lot size, but that's up to you. But in particular, where it will tell you the take profit, it will tell you the stop loss. So essentially, I will have done everything for you except the last part, which is for you now to enter it into your system. Basically, I'll have set the trades for you. For now, I highly suggest that if you're going to be using that for learning purposes, use 0.01. But as you become experienced, you become more comfortable, you can use higher lot size. So the volume, I'm assuming you all have like at least 1,000 or something in your account, okay? Trading account, that is the dummy account. Those are up to you, all right? For me, I will do this first one, and that, and that, and that, and that. Which means for every currency that you have, there'll either be a buy and a sell, where you are setting up, you look at on the chart, where that buy is being taken at, your take profit, your stop loss. Again, for the same currency, there will be a sell. Okay? Everything will be there. All right. So that is a big announcement I said I would do today, to tell you that yes, from now on, you will be able to trade live with me. Where trading live with me is you'll kind of piggyback on me. So initially, it's more like we are going swimming, and you are actually swimming on my back. I'm doing the swimming, and you're on my back, and you also start paddling until you get comfortable, and then I get out of the way, and you continue swimming. Basically, I'm going to be holding you as you learn to swim. So this service, other people call it signal service, other call it, whatever it is, but because of the extra work I have to do, okay, that is why I'm saying it'll be a subscription. You don't have to, you don't need to, but for those of you who want to take their trading to the next level, this is another way of fast tracking your learning, because it will also force you. Initially, you'll be taking the trades that I'm also taking, which is fine, and you observe. Then if later, you can also start waking up a little early and looking at the charts, just doing it on your own, and then check the numbers you have with my numbers, because my numbers will be coming by around 7:30, latest 8 o'clock every day, every morning. They'll be coming, okay, and I'll be doing for 5 different currencies, which means if you don't like some currencies, you don't have to trade them. If you like all the currencies I'm going to be sharing with, then you trade them. So, how shall we do this? Very simple. For those in Zambia, I have a local number. You will call me. Okay, we'll arrange how you'll do your $10 per week. So you can pay weekly or you can pay monthly. My suggestion, it's easier for me when you pay at once for the month, so that then I can plan myself. I can say this month I have to do ABCD. Now for the Kenyan people, I'll give you my local, well, most of you do have my local number. and then you can just send M-Pesa. So why am I doing $10? $10 is very minimal, but basically, it's sometimes if you give people something for free, they don't quite appreciate it. But when it's costing them a little something, then they are more driven because they know they've put their money there. They're more driven. Now, once you get more comfortable and you feel like, okay, I'm doing well now, then you can even increase your lot size. You don't have to do 0.01. You can do 0.02, 0.05. Slowly. The more confidence you get, the more you can take the higher risk. And once you're very comfortable and you can see your trades are almost like mine, then that doesn't stop you from even trying other currencies. Okay? So I'll pause with that over there. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I've also been asked by some of you about the company that I trade for. Remember now, I don't risk my own money. I use the company money of a company I trade for in the US. Now, how did we get there? We got there by them basically testing me. They trained me in their whatever systems on how to trade. They have their own curriculum. And throughout the curriculum, they kind of they assess you. They give you like a little assessment to see how you're doing. Okay. And it's a journey that can take as little as 3 months. It's a journey that can take as long as 6 months. It can even take you a year if you are not diligent. Okay. Now, the reason why I didn't want to introduce you guys earlier was, like I told you earlier, I believe that I'm giving you the basics, what you need. Because when you get an opportunity like that, by the way, now there are companies like those that are saying, look, no, you can come and trade for us. You trade for us, and we share the revenue. We'll put our money online. But many of them have a catch. They want you to pay like $150, $200, $300, just so that maybe they give you a test at the beginning, you know. But the company I am with, for them, they train you and you go as high or as quickly as you are able. Now, remember, I am not getting anything by referring you. Oh, yes, I might get a discount on my monthly subscription fee. I do, for that platform, normally the one that I like, okay, I pay $65 monthly just to use it. Okay. Now, for you guys, once I recommend you, you'll get your 1 month free service. After that, then you'll have to pay like $80 a month. Now, the reason why I keep saying don't enroll yet is because I want to bring you to speed so that by the time you enroll with them, you can take advantage of that 30 days. You can go very quickly through the different levels. And by the time the 1 month is done, with my help, you'll have covered so much ground that you'll almost be getting ready to be funded. I have a friend in Nairobi that's what we did. We used to meet together for he was very diligent every evening for like 2, 3 months, and he was comfortable. And by the time I introduced him to the company, it took him like less than about 4 months, and he was already funded. He was at a goal level being funded. So he doesn't use his money anymore. Please note, I'm, I'm not recommending a scam. No, I'm recommending a company that will work with you to a point where you don't have to use your money when you are trading. You'll use their money. But for you to use their money, they have to be sure that you've learned the basic skills of trading, at least to their comfort. All right? Okay, time for questions before we call it a night. So, are there people who like the idea of the signals, for me to send the signals? Is it a good idea or not a good idea? Good idea? Okay, good, good. All right.
Yeah, certainly it's excellent.
Okay.
I would personally actually be.
Interested. Okay. Well, very good, very good. Thank you. Okay. I will have you guys send me directly. I'll give you the details on the group. Okay. But now you know what you want to do. Now, for those interested also in being referred to the other company, okay, once you have the basics, you have the fundamentals, then I think it's a good idea. It's a good idea to now have a professional firm that can then train you. I think I've done my best to remove you from a point, let's say from point zero to at least 25%. And it doesn't mean that I will stop my classes. No, we will still have our classes, okay, regularly. But now you'll have another class for yourself. Okay. So the good thing about that one you can do anytime. Once you enroll with them, you can do it at your pace, at your time. You can do it at midnight, you can do it at 3 o'clock in the morning, you can do it whatever time. Okay. It's all up to you. As for the service, subscription service, I am as good as ready to go as early as tomorrow for those of you who are interested. So for the people who are in Zambia, use my local number, local line, and you subscribe. You send $10, the equivalent of $10 in Kwacha. And for the guys in Nairobi, you send M-Pesa to my number in Nairobi. I will still get it. Okay? And then I will start as early as tomorrow for those interested. Any other questions? Oh, for the referral, you will send me your email. I'll remind you as soon as the class is over. You send me your email, and I will then refer you to the company. They'll get in touch with you.
Hello, Tom.
Yes.
This is Charles.